Leine Linde RSA 60 encoders are ruggedized version of absolute encoders. Now we have this CanOpen encoder you see here. This is a very robust and reliable version. 58 mm dia, 10 mm solid shaft, shock and vibration protected, clamping flange version. This is in our own stock, ready to ship out today. It's a multi-turn 25-bit version. Single turn resolution is 13-bit and the multi-turn version resolution is 12-bit. We stock many encoders for ready delivery from leading manufacturers like Six, Tagman, Heidenheim, Kamagawa, Leine Linde, Bomber, TR Electronics, Scienceless, and also lesser known like Toner, Power Postal, Dynapar, IFM, Omron, Eltron, and basically like that. We are not the dealers of these manufacturers. We stock these encoders and independent stock is based on our market experience. We buy and stock these encoders. If you want to buy any encoder that you need for your machine to start it up as on today, right now, call us. We would either be able to give you something from stock or an equivalent one. Let us see how we can contribute to your spare part need. Give us a call.